Why is TurboTax asking 1099 NEC? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's begin. TurboTax will ask for Form 1099 NEC if it detects that you may have received non-employee compensation during the tax year. If you are a freelancer, contractor, or gig worker, if you are self-employed individual, independent consultant, landlords receiving rental income, then you will get 1099 NEC. If you earn $600 or more from a client or company, then they are required to send you a 1099 NEC. TurboTax will ask you to enter 1099 NEC if it assumes you might have received one, or if you imported tax into QuickBooks or other service, it may include 1099 NEC. So, when TurboTax prompts you to enter 1099 NEC, if you have the form, enter the details exactly as shown in the form. If you don't have a 1099 NEC, go back and review your income entries, delete any unnecessary self-employment sections, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.